action light, knife skills so precise, making spooky rice. David set the killer chef, whipping the terror with zest. Movies and meals collide, horror flavors on the side. Chopping fear with flair, monsters everywhere. Gory scenes so bright, dine and fright. Lights down, it's shows.
Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome back to the kitchen. If you're new here, this is where movies and meals collide.
Something's in there.
But you're rushing into something serious here.
Hope your holidays were filled with great food and even better binge watching. 2026 is looking delicious. We got a massive slate of films coming our way. From gritty independent films to summer horror blockbusters. We're leveling up the production, the plates, and the perks.
She's been feeding that thing between the walls.
What's coming up this season is more monster movie-inspired dishes and deep dives into the biggest sci-fi and horror movie releases.
Oh my God!
Our venture into YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Patreon will ensure maximum viewer satisfaction. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss a single bite. The kitchen is open, but you might want to leave the lights on.